up, YouTube? It's your girl KT, and I'm back with another video reviewing the Starbucks app. Now, with most mobile apps, you can order and pay ahead. This way, you can eliminate the inconvenience of ordering in store. Now, before you do anything, make sure to create an account or sign in. This way, you get your reward points. Once you've signed in, hit agree and continue. In the bottom left hand corner, you have 5 different icons: home, scan, order, gift, and offers. Here's one of the reasons why I love the Starbucks app so much is because you have the option to donate and give back. To start your order and receive rewards, fill out all of your Starbucks locations information. Now that you have your store's location, you can start your order. Here's everything that the Starbucks app has to offer. To complete your order, select an item and add it to your bag. Then make sure everything is straight and review your order. To complete your order, add in your preferred payment method. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.